Hello friends, I am Chavi Goyal and today we will learn Scratch. So, today we will learn control block. So, let's start. So, this will be our control block. So, let's start with our first block. That is wait 1 second, but first we will take events block, when flag clicked, and this time let's change it. Every time we use when flag clicked, right? But now, let's use when space key pressed. So, I will go in control block. I will take a motion block, move 10 steps also, so that we can check if it is working or no. So, I will take wait 1 second in my script area and over here. Now, let's check. Oops. It's waiting 1 second and then moving. So when I click, you can see it highlights. You can see this yellow border over here. It comes all the side besides the blocks. So in that yellow means you can see if I'm playing it or no with that yellow border. So you can see it. Now let's go ahead. This is our repeat 10 block. So when I click over here, it will do that thing 10 times. It's doing that thing 10 times. So that's the meaning of this block. And then, so these two blocks you can see. These two blocks are called loops. Repeat loop, forever loop. There are two loops. One is repeat and other is forever. So, over here this is, now let's move on to the forever loop. I will just drag this forever over here. So, the word itself says that it will do the thing forever. Forever means unlimited times. Over here, like this. It's doing it forever. Oh my God, I don't know. Yes, and then I will just use this one. And this is bit complicated. So now I will go in operators block. And then I will take this one over here. I will drag this. If you will try to drag this block inside it, it will not go. If you will try to make this block go inside this, it will not go. It will just come over here. But we don't want that. And so we will, only this type of shape will fit over here in this block. So, yes, so if 60 is greater than 50, then it will move. Yes, it is true. If I will do 40 over here, then maybe it will not go. Yes, it is not going. Over here, when I do it 60, it goes. But when I do 7 and when I do 30, it will not go. So, if the statement, what I have written over here, if 30 means if 30 is greater than 50, then it will move 10 steps, or else it will not move. So, over here, if the condition is true, then only it will work. And over here is the greater than sign. So, if greater than means 60 is greater than 50, then only it will go. And now 60 is greater than 50. So, it is going. And let's move on to the next block. And that is a condition block. These were condition blocks. So, it gives condition. If this happens, then do this, like this. So, if Okay, I have a good example of this. Okay, I'll do that. If 60 is greater than 50, this is true. If over here I will write 50, then also it will not go. Over here if I will write 51, then it will, oh, sorry. Then it will go. It was not going. Till 50, it will not go. If you will do 51, then it will go. Above 50, any number, it will work. So, over here, if 60 greater than 50, now it is, so it will work. Then it will move 10 steps. And just duplicate this one. Move 10 steps. And over here, I will write minus 10. Oops. So now it is proper. But if I will write over here 40, then it will go backwards. So, else means this. It's not like that you can use this blocks only. You can use any blocks of your choice. I am just giving you an example. Just keep this block over here and this block. Yes. Yes, so this is wait until. So when I use wait until over here, then wait until this is this. So it is waiting until whatever I want is there. But when I do it 60 over here, then it will, oh, yes. It is waiting until, and then when it's done, then it is moving 10 steps. And over here, it will wait until that much time and unlimited time. And then it will work. When it is true, but it will never come true. Because this statement is never gonna come true. So let's move on to the next block. And next block is repeat until. So, okay, repeat until. The same thing it will repeat until 60 is greater than 50. Oh. Over here like this. Okay. So over here it will repeat until the thing below 50 or 50, not above 50. So this is the name of this block. I will remove this. And next is stop all. Okay. I can use this block over here. Now, I am just showing this coding for this block, or else it cannot happen. So, I will just do it like this. Okay, I will just use this block. Wait 1 second as we learned this block just now. I'll use over here maybe 4 seconds or 5 you can use. No, it's not working. Okay, I will use 2 seconds. Oh. I think I need to use 1 second only because it goes very fast. Still it's not working. It goes very fast, I guess. 0.2 seconds. Then I wait. Oh my god. Why is it not working? I guess it's something problem. So if I use repeat until this coding of repeat until that I had shown, and then I use wait 1 second or below 1 second, and then you stop all, then it will stop all. So let's move ahead. We don't need these all blocks now. I'll just remove these. Yes, that's all good. And then this is when I start as a clone. So over here clone means C. And over here I will need forever block because we've learned this just now. And then this is when space key pressed forever, it will create clone of itself. But now you are not able to see the clone. I have to separate this. So instead of doing that thing, if I do, you can see that it's creating clone of itself. I can use this thing. Go to random position, glide 1 second to random position. So it is gliding and creating a clone, and wherever it's going, one clone of it is there. Okay, I'll just stop this. Oh my god. Now see, wherever it's stopping, no, it will create a clone over there. Like this, after if 1 or 2 minutes, I'll see the whole stage area is filled with these. And then next block comes, that is when I start as a clone. So instead of using this, I can use this over here. So see whatever. You can see it. Wow, such a nice thing. So it means that when it will start as a clone, over here I have used create clone of myself. So over here it says when I start as a clone, when I create one clone, when I start as a clone, then it will glide 1 second to random position. It will glide the clones to the random position because when I start as a clone. And over here, clone's meaning is to create duplicate copy of that particular sprite or a thing. Easy to understand. And then, wait, I will use wait 1 second. And then delete this clone. Then see what will happen. It will wait 1 second and then it's deleting all the clones. You can see over here it's reducing. The clones are getting reduced. And so these three are over here. Have you noticed these in all the blocks? That 3 blocks, 4 blocks, some blocks are there. Then after over here there is a little bit space and there all the blocks comes. So that means that these 3 blocks can work together. Means that when it will start creating a clone of itself, then if I want to do something when it starts as a clone, then I can do, when I start as a clone, I can use that. But I cannot use any other block for this thing. So that's the meaning of that. So now let us remove all the blocks. And our control block is done. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Little Genius Chubby. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.